to make an aeroplane. First you need 5 lollipop sticks, any colour, clothes peg and matchsticks. First thing you're going to do is you're going to get 2 lollipop sticks, put them together and you're going to put glue down the middle. You're going to do another pair of this, or it should be something like that, and then you're going to do it again. You need to stick it onto the peg. Is you need to pull this off at the edge, like that. You need to glue at the back of the plane the piece that you broke off. Now you need to glue the matchsticks onto the plane, something like this. And now this is what they should look like.